Hello guys. It is Make It Yourself Monday. I'm so excited. I feel like it's been so long since I've done one of these. I'm so excited to be back. Okay, first of all, you can't see my diffuser. Let's see. My camera fell right before I pushed go live. So that threw me off a little bit, but that's okay. It just like crashed down. I'm glad I didn't hit the button yet. So you see the diffuser in the background? As you guys are hopping on, tons of you are hopping on already. Hey Chrissy, I want you guys to tell me what you're diffusing today. Thank you for the hearts, guys. Tell me what you're diffusing, because y'all, that heater's running all the time. Hey Rita, hey Chrissy. I think I said hi to Chrissy already. So we've got our heater running all the time. I don't know about you, but we have snow here in Kentucky and it's freezing. I wanted to wear a boggin right now because I'm so cold. So I want you to tell me, what are you diffusing? Because all that, the heat is making the air really dry. So your diffuser is awesome to get that moisture back in the air. You don't have to go out and buy one of those, what are they called, humidifiers or something, to get the water, the moisture back in the air. Just run your diffuser. So I'm diffusing Christmas spirit because the snow made me think of Christmas. Hey Jennifer, you're diffusing thieves. Yes, that's perfect for this time of year. Oh, Christmas spirit smells so good. So the snow made me think of Christmas. So I was like, I'm gonna diffuse Christmas spirit today. And it smells so good. So lemongrass in the bedrooms and bathrooms, cinnamon and thieves, those are all great. I love those. I love those. So Chrissy, did you put cinnamon in with your thieves, like the cinnamon bark with it? That's such a good idea. I love to do thieves with orange because it smells a lot like Christmas spirit. And then you get that extra dose of thieves because it's a little bit stronger. So, hey guys for hopping on. Thanks for hopping on here. Push the heart button so it'll tell people to get over here that something's going on. Christmas spirit. I love Christmas spirit too. Okay, are you guys drinking your water too? We need to be drinking lots of water right now for sure. So we are gonna make, let me show you where I got the recipe because I love this recipe and I love this book. This is the Chemical Free Home book. So this recipe is coming from two. She has three of them. It's Melissa Pepping's books. I use these all the time in my house. She has beauty recipes, she has stuff for your baby, she has all kinds of recipes and they're all really good. I haven't found one yet that I don't like. So this one is called the Sweet Mother of Wood Polish and it smells like oranges. You guys, it smells amazing. You could switch it out if you like that smell of lemon. You could switch it out, put lemon in there. So okay, before I show you how to make it, let's talk about why do we do this. I'm going to talk a hot second about why we do this. Why don't we just go to the store, buy whatever's on the shelf? Because, I mean, we totally could, and I used to. For years, I had, as you're hopping on, I saw some of you hopping on here, say hi to me. Thank you for the hearts. So for years, I went and bought, I had a cleaner for everything. I had a spray cleaner for this, and an aerosol cleaner for that, and everything. And guys, my family, we had all kinds of issues with breathing and skin problems and just all kinds of things. So I did some research. Most of you have heard my story. I did some research and now I pretty much DIY everything. I love it and it's so fast and easy to do. So why would we do this with furniture polish or wood polish? So the basic, quick, easy answer is you guys are breathing this stuff in. If you clean your floors, if you have hardwood floors, you could, like whatever you're cleaning your floors with, your kids are walking on it, your pets are walking on it, it's absorbing into their skin. So, because whatever we get on our skin, it goes into our blood system. And we don't want that. We don't want that stuff going through our body. So here are just a few things that I looked up on, and you all can look this up on the Google, EWG. So it's the Environmental Working Group. And they have this guide, it's called Healthy Cleaning Guide. So some of the things that's in here, and I'm probably going to destroy some of these words because I don't know what these words are. It's not orange and lemon and olive oil and all the safe things, almond oil. It's not all those safe things that we're using. So let me see if I can say it. So we have alkane and cycloalkane. So this says if it's ingested, this may be fatal. Okay, if you have your cleaner sitting out and your kid gets into it, that's not good. Hey, Marcy Drake. That's not good. We're not going to talk about the C word. The C word is all through this, but we're not even going to say that. It's a given. You guys know. You guys have probably looked a lot of this up. Those of you just hopping on, tell me what you're diffusing. I got my diffuser going with Christmas Spirit because it's so good right now. So I want to know what you're diffusing. Another one is mineral spirits. Again, if it's ingested, it can be fatal. So also, if it's ingested, that also means any way it gets into your blood system, it's poison, guys. So we don't want that in our blood system. So you don't want that touching your skin. When you're wiping things down, that stuff is absorbing into your hands. We don't want that. A couple more things. Petroleum gases, so that's just breathing it. Everybody that's breathing it, it's bad. It's bad stuff to breathe. Sodium salts. That one's really, really bad. I'm not even going to say what that one does because I want you guys to go Google it. It's super scary. So to sum it up, the big problem is not like the one ingredient in there. It's when you combine them all together. And then you also have fragrance. And y'all know that fragrance is like 300 chemicals. It can be up to 300 chemicals just to make that, you're at the gym, just citrus and eucalyptus, yay, and thieves hand purifier, awesome, yay. So the word fragrance, when you see that, if it's not an essential oil, it is up to 300 chemicals. So that's really, really bad. And so it's when you use these things, it's kind of like saying, oh, a little poison won't hurt me. Okay, well, when you combine a little poison to a little poison to a little, it's going to build up. So that's why we do this. And that is my mission, to show you guys how to get rid of that crap out of your house, one baby step at a time. So let me show you how to make this polish. This is the first thing we're going to do. And I have the whole month, the rest of January and all of February planned out. I've got some really good things coming. We're going to do things for your home, things for your skin. Let's see. I just have tons of things. I'm so excited. We're even going to do some food recipes. It's going to be fun. So every Monday at 2 o'clock Eastern, come back here for Make It Yourself Monday. So let's get to the recipe. So it says to use, I'm going to do just like a 4 ounces. So how I knew that this was an 8-ounce bottle, because the recipe calls for an 8-ounce bottle, but I don't have like a ton of tables and stuff. I mainly use it for my kitchen cabinets. Makes it so shiny and gorgeous. And I cleaned one of the doors and then kept the one beside it without cleaning it to see, like, I can see the difference, but when I looked at it on the camera, y'all can't even tell the difference on the camera because it's so tiny, but believe me, it's a huge difference. So I'm going to half this recipe, and the way I found out, it said use an 8-ounce bottle. So I just filled it with water and poured it into a measuring cup. You guys probably already know this. I thought I was a genius, but I poured it into a 8-ounce measuring cup, and that told me, hey, this is an 8-ounce bottle. So there you go. So I did 4 ounces of almond oil, sweet almond oil. Some of the recipes for this says to use olive oil. I don't recommend olive oil. The book doesn't recommend olive oil. Melissa Pepping's pretty smart, y'all. Olive oil doesn't soak into the wood really well. It just kind of sits on top and it's greasy. So the sweet almond oil, it really soaks into your wood. So it makes it really shiny and pretty and clean. So we did 4 ounces of that. Cutting it in half again, we're doing 2 capfuls, not cups, but caps, of the most amazing cleaner on the planet, Thieves Household Cleaner. I want you guys to give me a heart if you love Thieves Household Cleaner, because it's awesome. I know every one of the Oilers on here love Thieves Household Cleaner. So that's 2 capfuls, and I'm spilling it everywhere, but that's okay. See, it's not going to hurt me to get it on my hands. It smells so good. So just 2 of those. And then I already did the orange so that you're not sitting there. You guys know, you've seen my videos, I always lose count. So I went ahead and did the orange already, and it said, it says 12 drops. Well, I forgot I was putting it in half, and so I did 12 drops in half the recipe, but that's okay, because it just smells even better. So if you put too much essential oil, it's okay, it's just gonna smell even better. Hi sis, my sister just jumped on. Thank you for joining me, and that's all you do, that's it. It's your Thieves Household Cleaner, your sweet almond oil, and your orange essential oil. And you guys probably already have all that. So see, you can take 10 seconds to make it. Shake it up real good, spray it on your, you can spray it directly on the wood. It does actually spray. You wouldn't think it would spray, but it actually does. It's not too thick. You can spray it directly on the wood and just clean it, or you can spray it on a little rag, a little towel, and clean it that way. So you will thank me, because your house is going to smell absolutely amazing, and it's safe, and it's inexpensive, because this bottle lasts me like 6 months. I think I buy 2 of them a year. So thank you guys for joining me. Next week I have something really fun to share with you. So come back next week, next Monday at 2 o'clock Eastern. I love you guys. And if you know someone that thinks they would want to, that you think would want to learn about this, just share the video with them, because my page is public, so anyone can see it. So, all right guys, I love you guys.